All right, Hillary Clinton in hot water yet again. Remember that picture? I haven't seen enough of it, or at least in a while. A federal judge ordering her to be deposed over the use of her private email server while in office.
The district judge, Royce Lamberth, taking issue with the former Secretary of State's sworn answers, saying, quote, the court believes those responses were either incomplete, unhelpful, or cursory at best. Simply put, her responses left many more questions than answers.
That's right. Means some follow-up. Here with the follow-up, we got Fox News senior judicial analyst, Judge Andrew Napolitano. Judge, what's unique about this case is this is a Freedom of Information Act case where generally you just need the documents to see what the story is. But in this case, they need the person to hear the story.
Because of the way she answered the questions in the documents. So here we go again. I mean, who thought that this would be back just in time for the 2020 presidential election campaign? Freedom of Information Act is a federal statute that allows anyone, in this case, some very courageous and persistent people at a group called Judicial Watch, we're all familiar with them, that allows anyone to seek copies of government documents. Judicial Watch has been trying to get copies of these documents. When they looked at the documents, some of which had been prepared by Mrs. Clinton, you heard what the judge said. The answers were deceptive, misleading, and generated more questions than they answered. Therefore, he ordered her to be deposed. She has never been deposed under oath on this. She was interrogated, but not under oath, in a secret interrogation by the FBI 3 days before they exonerated her. This will not only be under oath, there will be a videotape of this deposition.
When will this happen?
We don't know when it will happen, but soon. I mean, probably before the spring.
And she'll have to do it. She can't plead the fifth, right?
No, that's a great question. She can't plead the fifth because the statute of limitations to prosecute her for failure to safeguard state secrets has come and gone. She can't be prosecuted for that. She could be prosecuted if she lies under oath in this deposition. She's represented in the deposition by lawyers from the Justice Department. The same Justice Department that would prosecute her if she lies under oath.
You mean the Trump Justice Department?
The Trump Justice Department.
Now,
Sorry, Mr. President. That's the way these things work.
You know he's watching?
I'm just guessing.
Judge,
he has an affinity for this show.
I had no idea.
He loves couches.
I know he has a lot of options on cable because it's they provide a lot of different channels. Judge, can he fight this?
Yes, she can.
Can she do what Trump does every single time?
She can fight this. She would actually have, this is almost incredible. She would have to ask Bill Barr, the Attorney General, to file an appeal for her because the DOJ lawyers represent her.
Why now, Judge? Why 5 years later?
Because of their persistence, and they finally got to the bottom of it. That's how long this has been going on.
There's some Benghazi paperwork that came out, too.
Judicial Watch has accumulated truckloads of documents, and they've gone through everything. They brought them to the judge and said, look at this. Can you tell what these answers mean? We want to ask her about them.
But the weird thing is they keep getting, the State Department keeps releasing newer and newer documents, which is a head-scratcher.
Yes.
Check out the judge over on Fox Nation. If you don't have it yet, go to foxnation.com to figure out more about it. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Steve.
That's your serious face.